Hello my beautiful friends, I am back and I am back with another unboxing. This unboxing, I did it when the sales were going on, when the Sephora sales were going on, and everything was on sale, and I saw that Pat McGrath had her website. Everything was like so inexpensive, and I was like, oh my god. I never seen all her palettes so like $200 palettes, $200 palettes and $100 and something palettes. They were so inexpensive, so I said, you know, I need to take advantage of everything now before they go up in price. So I decided to make a phone call to my boyfriend and let him know that I wanted to purchase some things, and that was the Mother's Day sales. So it was during that time. So I called him up. I did what anybody else would do to like baby cry to him, and he was like, okay, what do you want? And I told him, okay, there's some stuff that I want to pick up at this website. And he was like, okay, how much? I was like, maybe 300. And he was like, okay. So he sent me the money, and I went and I picked up two amazing palettes that I was eyeing for a long time. And I finally got my hands on two gorgeous palettes. And these are the palettes that I picked up. And this one is, let me see, eyeshadow palette. And this one is, let me see, I even forgot the name of the palette. This is the Pat McGrath Labs Mothership 10 Moonlit Seduction. So I definitely wanted to get my hands on a Pat McGrath palette. So when I saw them, oh my god, I definitely needed to get my hands on them. Okay. So I finally got my hands on a Pat McGrath palette. I know I was entering contests, and I wouldn't like win anything, and I'm like, you know what, I'm like done with this, because I need to, either I win a contest or I don't, but I need to get my hands on a palette, and I needed to, definitely I needed to. So finally got my hands on a palette, and oh my god, what a palette. Let me just black out the, okay, that's the palette right there. Those are the colors. Those are the gorgeous colors. Oh my god. Yes, guys, yes. I finally own one of her two of her palettes, two of her beautiful palettes. The ones that really called out to me, which was this one. This one called out to me. It was just, the ones that called out to me was this one, the 10 and the Mothership. This one called out to me. So I finally got my hands on two, and they only cost me $90, these two. each. But to pick them up for $90 and comparing them to $128, I think I got them in a better price. So they were all $90 and I was not gonna get 3 of them. I just got 2 of them. Yeah, this is such a beautiful palette. Oh God, look at this. Look at this palette. Oh my God. And this is what called out to me, guys. This is what called out to me. You know, everybody picks what calls out to you, and this is what called out to me. Oh my God. I'm so happy I got them. So Pat McGrath, thank you for making these gorgeous palettes, because you are like truly, yes. Wow. Oh yeah. And I'm definitely gonna keep these little cardboards so I can just put them in the top like that, so I can, oh my God, so I can definitely know which ones I'm gonna be using. And I love, love, love those duochromes. And I can see the duochromes from inside the mirror. Wow. Well, these are the 2 palettes that I picked up, guys. And I am so happy and so ecstatic. Like, seriously, I am so, so, so happy. Where's the other box? Because I definitely want to take out the other, like, yeah, this one is for this one. I think I should keep them in the box because the box is so beautiful. So I can know which one is which. Because the box is what makes everything. And then for picking up her palettes, they were giving out a free lipstick. So I'm curious to know what lipstick they gave me. Okay, so it's a mini lipstick, but hey, it's a lipstick. Oh my God. Look how stunning that color is. It's not orange, it's red. And the color, let me read it to you. It is, wow, I can't see nothing. It is Lipstick Rogue. Mini Matte Trans Lipstick Rogue. Is it Rogue? Fever Dream. Fever Dream. Oh yeah. Fever Dream Mini Matte Trans Lipstick. Fever Dream. Wow. And that's the color right there. You could see it orange in the camera, but over here is red. Yeah. You can see it orange in the camera. but it's red. Fever Dream. Okay, but A. I love my 2 palettes. I will definitely be keeping them in their boxes. Because this is iconic. Because Natasha Denona and Pat McGrath and Huda are my 3 favorites. And these are like top notch right here. Okay guys, so these are the 2 palettes that I purchased from the sale that it was happening, and I got the Mothership 9, I think it is, it says here, Mothership 9 Utopian Dream, and this one is the Moonlit Seduction. Okay, so these are the 2 palettes that I got, and I purchased this with my own money, and well, with money that my boyfriend gave me, and I got a free lipstick. Okay, so don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the little bell. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to be your own kind of beautiful. I'll see you in my next one. Have a beautiful, blessed night. Bye-bye.